All right, here we are, mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas out of Addison, Illinois. And today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful, gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS tribute car. It is a Nevada, Oregon, California car, West Coast, with beautiful Daytona yellow paint, black rally stripes, done professionally, correct Chevelle wheels with the Firehawk radial TAs, excellent chrome on the car, nice trim, exhaust pipes, trim around the wheel wells, all the door handles are nice, the emblems, all the glass is nice, crisp and clean, rolls up and down really nice as it should. Nice bezels, turn signals, front grille. Engine compartment is gorgeous. This is a custom job with the firewall smoothed out, as you can see there. Okay, 383 stroker motor with Edelbrock, not Edelbrock, but GM Performance aluminum heads. Beautiful chrome Chevrolet valve covers, power steering, power disc brakes, beautiful, beautiful cowl, chrome alternator bracket there, newer alternator, battery, fan shroud is nice and black with big wow factor, gentlemen. Power steering, power brakes, new wiper motor, beautiful engine compartment, all new hoses, chrome alternator brackets, newer battery, alternator, beautiful, beautiful engine show quality engine compartments, waiting to go to a car show. Beautiful setup. We're gonna go for a little test drive in a little bit as well. Let me show you the interior now. Look at the body gaps. Doors open and close real nice on the car. Okay. Black interior. SS door panels. All right, gentlemen. Get back to this. SS round gauge packages. That's all set up. All the seat belts in the front there are all intact. Really nice. It's a power black vinyl top. If you want to see the condition of that, you can check out my photos at mgmclassiccars.com. Factory radio does not work. There's your power top switch. It does work. Car shows 71,588 miles, and that appears and believed to be original. Nice, nice dash pad. Again, beautiful door panels, beautiful clean carpet, some aftermarket gauges below there. And we'll go for a little test drive. Check it out. Okay, so we'll do the test drive with the top down. A couple pumps. Fires right up. Horn is not working on the car, but lights, wipers, as you can see there, speedo, all the gauges function, except the clock. And, if you want that to function, then you'll have to buy one on eBay and have it installed. Goes down the road really nice. It's got tilt wheel as well. Heat defrost works. Turn signals function. Like I mentioned earlier, just a really, really cool cruiser. Is it quick? Yes. Will it smoke the tires in every gear? No. Is it fun? Really fun. Is it a great looking car? Yes. What do I rate this car 1 through 10? 10 being show quality. Well, to me, a show quality car is about $100,000. Okay, this is less than half that cost. So I'm going to give this car a strong 8.5 rating, overall rating on the entire vehicle. So here we go. We'll hit the street here. It's got the SS hood pins as well. I forgot to mention that. nice and smooth down the road. It doesn't pull left, it doesn't pull to the right. We're cruising, well, it shows 60 miles an hour. I don't think that's actually accurate. It's probably 50 at about 2,400 RPM. Brakes really nice with the power disc. Great car overall, guys. If you're looking for a convertible Chevelle at a great price, I think you found it. You know, it being a West Coast car, free and clear Oregon title. You know, they don't put any salt on the streets from what I hear in Oregon. But this is a really, really nice, solid car. Underneath, the trunk's got the spare tire set up for you. Unless you have AAA, then who cares? If you guys want to see more photos, go to mgmclassiccars.com. I'm located in Addison, Illinois. No overheating problems. Right now it's 90 degrees here in Addison, Illinois. Car's running at about 190 right now. Oil pressure gets up to about 50 pounds. Voltage is about 14, which is good. Like I said, mentioned earlier, it is a power top on the car. I got the black boot. You've seen that installed on it. So for financing, if you got good credit score, I'll get you financed. If you got a 650 to a 690 credit score, you got to put down about 10%. And if your credit score is over 700, no money down. It's a couple different lenders that I work with. So I'll need to know what that is before you submit the application to me. For delivery, call me, text me at 847-848-1850, and I'll get you a quote and get it delivered. Listen, if you've been looking for a while, treat yourself, okay? You never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Enjoy your life. Treat yourself to something nice. These cars appreciate every day. As you can see, the pricing that's been going up on Chevelles especially. I think you're very safe, and the insurances are about under $1,000 a year as well for full coverage. So it's all good across the board. And owning a vintage classic muscle car. So I'll head back to the warehouse here. This is where I keep my cars, and we go through them, and we tell you what's good, what's bad, what it needs, what it doesn't need. And being 100% transparent. I'm 100% on eBay seller. I am honest seller, transparent seller, honest seller, and tell you everything you need to know. Guys, you want a great convertible? This is it. Okay, it's going to be the car for you. I'll do a quick onesie walk around really quick here, and then you're going to call me and text me to make the purchase. Sounds good. Very clean underneath, as you can see. Sorry about the beeping in the background, but we're across the street from a construction site here. So once again, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Give me a call, 847-848-1850. Let's get this bad boy in your garage, guys. Make the move, treat yourself, enjoy yourself. Talk to you soon.